Hello guys, how everyone is doing? So I received my makeups today. This one orange, purple type. This is reddish reality time. The green one, the blue, the yellow. Wow, this is beautiful. Love it. Let me have a look at this one. It's like a book. Look, it's like an open book. I just open it like this. Isn't it beautiful? Let me see the blue one. It must be beautiful. The blue one. Wow. Oh my god, I love it. Look at the colors. Wow. Beautiful. Wow, I'm going to have fun with this. So I'm taking a look at this one. It's like another one. Wow, look at the colors. They're beautiful. I love the palette like this. It's so lovely. Wow. Isn't it lovely? The green one. Let me check. This one must be cool. Oh my god. I'm just unboxing them. Oh my god. Look at this. Wow. Look at the green one. Oh, amazing. Ah. Oh my god. Hope everyone is doing okay. Look at this one. It's red mixed. Oh my god. And this one, the purple mixed with blue, pink. Wow. Isn't it amazing? I love it because it's like a book. Look. Isn't it nice? Easy to carry when you travel. So, I love it. Alright, that's all.